In this video, I'm going to show you how to move text in Photopea. First, open your project in Photopea and select the Type tool from the left toolbar. Click anywhere on your canvas and type in your text. Once your text appears, you can adjust its size using the size slider at the top of the screen. To do this, click on your text 2 or 3 times to ensure it is selected, then use the slider to set the desired size. At this point, if you try to move your text, you may notice that it won't move. This is because you need to activate the Move tool first. The Move tool is located at the top of the left-hand toolbar. If another tool, such as the Artboard tool, is visible instead, right-click on it to reveal the Move tool and select it. After selecting the Move tool, make sure your text layer is highlighted in the Layers panel on the right side of your screen. With the correct layer selected, you can now click on your text on the canvas and drag it to any position you want. For more precise placement, go to the Edit menu at the top left, choose Free Transform from the drop-down menu, and you will see X and Y coordinates for positioning. For example, to align text at the top of your canvas, move the anchor point to the top and set the Y coordinate to 0. To align text at the bottom, move the anchor point to the bottom and enter the canvas height as the Y coordinate. This ensures perfect alignment and control, and this is how you can move text in Photopea.